Good morning, Dave. Steve Hunsaker here at Bowen Scar Ford. I'm going to do a quick walk around of this E-350 here to give you a better idea of its specs and what it comes with. I opened up the doors here. It does have the side opening door here and the roll-up door here with the bumper step. This is a 12-foot box where you can get from the cab to the back of the box. The wheel wells you see do protrude above the bottom, and then you got the siding where the gas is put in there on the side. Here's your bumper step. This is actually made by Supreme Truck Bodies out of Portland, Oregon. We work with them quite a bit for a lot of our municipalities and government vehicles. Here's the stamp for this box with the serial number. I'll show you the inside of the cab here just momentarily. And if there's any questions you have or particular pictures or information, please let me know. This also comes with a digital rear view mirror, which is really nice because it's always on. Let's go around to the other side here. Okay. Here we go. Open this up. Got the vinyl interior here. Got your dome light switch for the back of the box there. Currently has 2,356 miles on it. AM FM radio. You do have Bluetooth with this. You do have all your charging ports, AC, power. Here's that digital rear view mirror. Your vinyl seats and your vinyl flooring. That there locks the door in. But yeah, not a whole lot to it, just a basic workhorse. Let me know if you have any questions that I can get answered for you, but I do appreciate your time. Thank you.